A mini-split blower wheel is usually a long crossflow wheel, but access is not universal. Motor coupling, end bearing, drain pan, louvers, coil supports, sensors, and electrical enclosure vary by model. Begin with the exact operation and service manuals, not a generic hidden screw map. Separate homeowner maintenance from qualified service. A homeowner may follow only the user manual for shutdown, proper isolation, filter care, accessible exterior wiping, and observation. Wheel removal, electrical cover access, motor work, drain pan disassembly, or movement near refrigerant tubing normally belongs to trained service. Remote off is not isolation. The unit may restart from timers, Wi-Fi, thermostats, building controls, defrost logic, or restored power, and electronics may retain energy. Covered access requires identifying sources, disconnecting and locking as applicable, verifying absence of voltage, observing discharge time, and preventing rotation. Diagnose before calling cleaning the fix. Low airflow, odor, noise, leakage, or poor cooling can also come from filters, coils, drains, bearings, motor controls, frozen coils, installation, operating mode, or refrigerant faults. Document wheel contamination, but do not promise mold remediation, disinfection, health benefits, or restored capacity. Plan containment before introducing liquid. Protect the electrical enclosure, motor, bearings, sensors, connectors, display receiver, insulation, walls, and occupied space. Drainage and waste must follow the exact model procedure, cleaner label, and local rules, never uncontrolled indoor runoff or pressure washing. Cleaner chemistry is material specific. Verify the appliance instructions, product label, SDS, approved surfaces, dilution, dwell time, rinse method, ventilation, PP, first aid, and disposal. Never mix products, especially chlorine with acids or ammonia, and never use flammable or unlabeled solvents. Refrigerant tubing and the evaporator coil are hard boundaries. Do not bend, twist, lift, or use them as handholds to create access. Do not loosen connections or apply heat. Work that can open or reasonably damage the refrigerant circuit requires appropriately qualified and certified personnel. Preserve the long wheel's geometry and balance. Do not scrape vanes, remove balance weights, pry on the hub, hammer the shaft, lose the end bearing, or clean only one sector. Use gentle, compatible cleaning and full circumference inspection in a safely supported, isolated state. Keep liquid and tools on the intended path. No water or cleaner enters electronics, motor, bearings, sensors, display, wiring, wall cavity, or insulation. A household pressure washer, steam jet, abrasive wheel, sharp screwdriver, or compressed air blast that atomizes debris is not a universal cleaning method. Control dirty wash water as a service material. Confirm pan, hose, and any condensate pump are protected, correctly pitched, sealed, and restored. Do not default to discharging chemical waste into walls, occupied rooms, storm drains, landscaping, or the condensate route without explicit permission. Reassembly restores safety and performance. Confirm isolated free rotation, axial clearance, bearing and shaft engagement, fasteners, harness routing, grounds, sensors, insulation, louvers, drain pan, seals, covers, and guards. Electrical areas must be dry, and any required drying or waiting period must be complete. Final verification occurs with the complete enclosure restored. The appropriate person confirms startup, wheel rotation, speed response, no rubbing or abnormal vibration, airflow, louver operation, drainage, and fault-free control. A cleaner-looking wheel alone does not prove balance, indoor air quality, capacity, or safe commissioning.